Most contractors jump into Buildertrend expecting it to instantly fix chaos in their business. But here's the truth no one tells you. For many users in 2026, Buildertrend is not actually worth it. And the reason has nothing to do with the software itself. In this video, you'll understand exactly why Buildertrend might not be worth it for your situation, who should avoid it, and when it actually becomes a smart investment instead of a costly mistake. Let's get straight into it. First, let's be clear. Buildertrend is a powerful construction management platform. It helps with scheduling, budgeting, client communication, job tracking, and project management all in one place. So why would anyone say it is not worth it? Now, here's where it gets interesting. The problem is not capability. The problem is mismatch. Buildertrend is built for structured construction businesses that already handle multiple projects, teams, and processes. But many users who sign up are not there yet. Let's break down the first major issue. Setup complexity. When you first start using Buildertrend, it is not a simple app where you log in and start working instantly. You need to set up projects, templates, budgets, schedules, and workflows. A contractor like Jake who is running small one-off jobs may find this overwhelming. It feels like too much system for too little work. But here's the problem. Most people underestimate setup time. And when they don't see instant results, they assume the software is bad. Now let's talk usage consistency. Buildertrend only works well if your entire team uses it properly. That includes updating schedules, logging progress, and communicating inside the platform. If even one part of your team ignores it, the system becomes incomplete. A contractor named Alex might update everything, but if subcontractors don't follow, the value drops fast. Now here's where most people fail. They treat it like optional software instead of a core operating system. Let's talk cost. Buildertrend is not a low-cost tool. It is positioned as a premium construction management platform. For small contractors, the monthly cost can feel heavy compared to how much they actually use it. So if you are doing only a few projects per month, you might end up paying for features you barely touch. But here's the interesting part. Cost alone is not the real issue. It is cost versus usage. Now let's talk simplicity. Some contractors do not need full project management software. They need fast scheduling, simple invoicing, and basic communication. For those users, Buildertrend can feel like using a full engineering system just to send messages and track small jobs. Now here's the turning point. More features does not always mean more value. Let's talk learning curve. Buildertrend takes time to learn properly. It is not difficult in a technical sense, but it is deep. There are many layers like financial tracking, change orders, client portals, and reporting. A contractor like John who just wants to manage jobs quickly may feel slowed down instead of helped. Now here's where it gets interesting. The software does not adapt to your simplicity. You must adapt to its structure. So who should actually avoid Buildertrend? If you are a solo contractor, a very small team, or someone managing simple, fast turnaround jobs, Buildertrend may not be worth it right now. It can feel heavy, expensive, and underused. But here's the important balance. Buildertrend becomes extremely valuable when your business grows into multiple crews, multiple job sites, and complex scheduling needs. At that point, spreadsheets and messaging apps stop working, and structure becomes necessary. Now, let's wrap this up clearly. Buildertrend is not a bad tool. The real issue is timing. If you are not at the stage where you need structured project management, it will feel unnecessary. But if your business is scaling, it becomes a strong system for controlling operations. So the real question is not, is Buildertrend worth it? The real question is my business ready for it? If this helped you understand the real situation, hit like so more contractors can see it. Subscribe for more honest software breakdowns. And comment below what tool you want analyzed next so you can make smarter decisions without wasting time or money.